What's up guys, Nick here, back with another super cool iPhone customization trick. Today I'm going to show you how to install dynamic wallpapers on your iPhone completely free using Nugget, just like the one I've got on my phone right here. And honestly, Nugget does way more than just live wallpapers. You can disable liquid glass, customize themed wallpapers, and completely change the look of your iPhone to make it stand out. I've already made a few videos about Nugget on my channel before, and I'm also planning to organize all the Nugget tutorials into a dedicated playlist. So if you want to stay updated on new customization tricks, make sure to subscribe. First, you'll need to download Nugget. I've put the direct download link in the description below. Right now, the latest version is v7.3. It supports iOS 26.4 Beta 1 and Beta 2, and also supports the official iOS 26.4 release for iPhone 17 devices. Download the correct version for your computer, extract it onto your desktop, then connect your iPhone to the computer. Once Nugget is open, click Posterboard on the left side, then go into Discover Wallpapers. You'll see tons of free dynamic wallpapers here. Just download a few you like. For this demo, I'm using a Kanye wallpaper. After downloading, go back to Posterboard and import the wallpaper file you just downloaded. You can import up to 3 wallpapers onto your iPhone at the same time. Now click Apply. Before it installs, the software will ask you to disable Find My to avoid issues like a white screen during the process. So open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple account, go to Find My, and turn it off. If Find My is grayed out, go to Face ID and passcode and disable stolen device protection first. After that, you'll be able to turn Find My off normally. Now go back to Nugget and click Apply again. Your iPhone will restart automatically. After the reboot, long press on the lock screen, tap Add Wallpaper, then go into Collections. Scroll all the way to the right and you'll see the wallpapers you just imported. Select one, apply it, and now your dynamic wallpaper will stay permanently on your iPhone. Honestly, it looks super cool. Now let me answer a few common questions. Where can I get wallpapers? You can find them in the description below and they're completely free to download. Is this available on iOS 26.4? Yes. It supports iOS 26.4 Beta 1 and Beta 2 and basically everything from iOS 17 up to iOS 26.4. Why did my imported wallpaper disappear after a few days? If you want the wallpaper to stay permanently, you need to fully apply it as your wallpaper, exactly like I showed earlier. Otherwise, once Nugget disconnects, iOS may automatically remove it. One more important thing though. Installing dynamic wallpapers does carry some risks. On one of my other iPhones, I actually got that this iPhone encountered an issue while starting error after installing wallpapers. No matter how many times I restarted the phone, it wouldn't fix itself. In the end, I had to use Reboot Deep Repair to recover the device, so if you ever run into the same issue, I'd definitely recommend using Reboot 2. I've also put the download link for that in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS updates. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.